Under the DPWH project, there's a flagship project there that that is called Flood Management Program. In 2023, for this year, we have a budget of 185 billion. And for 2024, we propose 215.643 billion under the Department of Public Works and Highways Flood Management Program. And on top of this, there are also foreign assisted projects under KOICA, or Korean Exim Bank. These two projects are the Pampanga Integrated Disaster and Risk Resiliency Project. Tama ba to? And there's one more, yung Bulacan Angat Water Transmission Project. The Pampanga, it's a loan, so we just funded the government counterpart. So for the Pampanga, it's 1.397 billion yung government counterpart. And for Bulacan, it's 7.4 billion. Tama ba? Tama ba? And under the MMDA budget, there is also funding, but this is mostly in Metro Manila. For 2023, it has tama ba? Flood control 1.9 billion, and then for 2024, there's 1.3 billion pesos.